let's discuss about the another topic, blood pressure with Mission Parivartan. Now let's understand what is a blood pressure. A blood pressure is the amount of force your blood uses to get through your arteries. When your heart pumps, it uses force to push oxygen rich blood out to your arteries. They bring it to your body's cells and tissues. If your blood pressure is too high, it can cause health issues. The only way to know your blood pressure is to measure. Blood pressure actually is the measurement of the pressure or the force of blood inside your arteries. Each time your heart beats, it pumps blood into the arteries that carry blood throughout your body. This happens 60 to 100 times a minute, 24 hours a day. Arteries delivers oxygen and nutrients to your whole body so it can function. Now let's understand what is blood pressure versus heart rate. Both of these have to do with your heart, but they are two different things. First, blood pressure is how powerfully your blood travels through your blood vessels. But heart rate is the number of times your heart beats in 1 minute. An increase in the heart rate does not mean your blood pressure is going too up or too high or too low. The only way to know your blood pressure is to measure it with a blood pressure machine, cuff and gauge. Why blood pressure fluctuates? Let's understand it. Your blood pressure does not stay the same at all times, okay? It changes based on what you are doing. When you are exercising or excited, your blood pressure goes up. When you are resting, your blood pressure is lower. So it depends on your activities. Your blood pressure can also change because of your age, medications you take, and the changes in position. Now let's understand what do blood pressure numbers mean. You have seen in many times the number first and the second number below, but you don't know, so here we go. The first number called as systolic blood pressure, which measure the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats, and the second number called diastolic blood pressure, which measure the pressure in your arteries when your heart rests between beats. If the measurement reads 120 systolic and the 80 diastolic, you would say 120 over 80, or write 120/80 mmHg. I have given you an example in this slide. So what are the normal blood pressure numbers? So here we go. You can check this number. A normal blood pressure levels is less than 120/80 mmHg, 0.1. Okay, so you can consult your doctor about your blood pressure if your blood pressure is high or low. Let's understand how do I prepare for a blood pressure measurement. If you are going to check your blood pressure, so first of all, some steps you need to take before the blood pressure measurement. Wait 30 minutes to measure your blood pressure if you just got smoked, exercised or had a cup of coffee. Second, go to the bathroom and pee until your bladder is empty. Roll up your sleeves so you don't put the cuff over your shirt sleeves. Sit for at least 5 minutes without talking. Sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor. Don't cross your legs. Okay, so these are the tips if you want to get the exact number of your blood pressure. So rest your arm on a table in front of you so your arm is at heart level. And the other one, how blood pressure is measured. This is the most important for everyone who want to check out his or her blood pressure by own or by the doctor. So wrap a special cup connected to a gauge around your upper arm just above your elbow. Inflate the cuff to make it tight around your arm. They will feel squeeze a ball connected to the cuff to do this. This briefly stops blood flow in your brachial artery by squeezing it. The gauge should say 200 mmHg at this time. Listen for when a pulse starts and look at the number on the gauge at the time. That is the systolic number. And deflate the cuff while using a stethoscope to listen to your blood going through your brachial artery. Deflating the cuff makes the gauge needles start to come down. Open the valve to loosen the blood pressure cuff so it stops squeezing your brachial artery. Look at the gauge reading when the cuff deflates and they hear through the stethoscope blood flowing again. This is the diastolic number. Now you all have got the enough information to how to measure blood pressure by own or by the doctor and how it works and how can we read the blood pressure meaning with the two numbers. We have understand everything else what we actually need for the blood pressure. Thank you very much for watching the video.